Every now and then, a new device comes along that grabs your attention because they're doing something a little bit different. Today, I'm going to show you the new Surface Pro 11th edition. In a nutshell, Microsoft has swapped the 86-based processors with ARM-based processors that have neural processing units, or NPUs. This means that AI tasks run directly on the device, no internet connection required, and it all happens in the Snapdragon X Elite and Plus processors. The Surface Pro 11th edition is powered by Snapdragon X Plus and X Elite with up to 14 hours of battery life. The Surface Pro Flex detachable keyboard has a haptic touchpad for that satisfying silent typing experience, and the Surface Slim Pen 2 charges right here on the keyboard. What really makes this type cover the new kid on the block is its ability to use completely detached from the device, making it truly flexible in the way you work. The ultra-wide camera is paired with AI enhancements like background blur and voice clarity, so you'll always look and sound your best in virtual meetings. One of the early AI features that I love using the Pro 11 with its ability to ink seamlessly is upgrading basic design skills in Paint or Illustrator to a work of art. Using Co-Create, you can see here it has leveled up from a kindergarten drawing into something a lot more presentable. The translation capabilities are also really impressive, all available after simply downloading the language pack. You can instantly translate any spoken voice to English, request a website to convert to another language, and pretty much change the language of any file, whether it's a video, document, website, or audio package. And again, all of this can be done when you're offline. Now, some of these AI-fueled capabilities might feel consumer-focused, but if you or your organization are already embracing or planning to adopt AI-powered tools, these devices offer enormous potential. As always, if you'd like to test drive one of these devices or are after more information on the suitability of ARM devices in your environment, get in touch with us about our ARM readiness assessment or visit data3.com.